so festive today, y'all. Look how cute. Outfit of the day, y'all. I'm sorry, what? No, bro.
Còn mình không xiên thì mình để vậy mình quất, mình bỏ vô cái cháo mình rỉa đó. Rồi cái bỏ bột ngọt vô chút xíu rồi bắt đầu mình thử cái nước mắm đó mình dạo là nó vừa ăn rồi, nếu nó không vừa thì mình nêm chút muối hay gì vô.
Bro, this is like first world country problem.
Ngon nhờ nước mắm, nhờ mắm.
So privileged. That like we're crying because we're eating too much.
Đi ba động người chơi. Chị ơi, em nói chị hai.
Trời đất ơi, chừng nào xuống.
Look at all those cows.
Look at all those chickens.
Freaking cow poop everywhere. Look at those cows. Yeah, we're in the countryside. Look at all those animals. The chicken in is sticky. I don't know, you can see, but they'll keep blending with the ground. Literally stuck here for the past, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and we're dead as surrounded by all these trucks. Like, we're a little 5-seater car, and Jesus. Also, my aunt and I couldn't like hold it in because the traffic is so bad. Like, it's literally, we've been here for like 45 minutes. Anyways, we couldn't hold it, so we ran into one of the shops to pee, and then when we ran out, like, we peed so fast, and when we ran out, the car, it started moving, like, all the way down to, like, I don't know, like a block or two, and then we flew, like, ran. I should have filmed it. I'm sorry. She's so sad. She broke her glasses. They're so old. Em không thể biết